Hey everyone, welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of programming with a focus on one of the most powerful and versatile languages out there, C++. C++ is a general-purpose programming language that was developed as an extension of the C programming language. It was created with the idea of providing additional features and capabilities while maintaining compatibility with C. The ++ in C++ reflects the idea of incrementing something good, suggesting that C++ is an improvement over C. So, why should you learn C++? Well, C++ is widely used in various applications, from game development and system programming to high-performance applications and embedded systems. It offers a good balance between low-level memory manipulation and high-level abstractions, making it a versatile language. Before we dive into coding, let's get our environment set up. You can use an integrated development environment, IDE, like Visual Studio or Code Blocks. Alternatively, you can use a simple text editor along with a compiler like GCC. I am using free online tool Programize for C++. Now, let's write our first C++ program, the classic Hello World. This is a simple program that prints Hello World to the console. In C++, a basic program structure includes a main function where the execution begins. Now that we've got our feet wet, let's explore some fundamental concepts in C++, such as variables, data types, and control flow. Variables are used to store data, and C++ has various data types like int, float, and char. One of the strengths of C++ is its support for object-oriented programming, OOP. We'll cover classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism in future videos, but it's essential to know that C++ allows you to organize your code using these powerful OOP principles. Alright, that's a quick introduction to C++. We've covered the basics, and in upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into more advanced topics. Remember, the key to mastering any programming language is practice. So, fire up your IDE, start coding, and stay tuned for more C++ tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!